Are you ready to take control of your heart health? In this eye-opening video, we will reveal the top 5 foods to avoid for a healthy heart. From tempting treats to everyday staples, you'll be shocked to discover the potential harm lurking in your kitchen. Get ready to make some crucial changes as we uncover the truth about the foods you should avoid at all costs for a healthy heart. Brace yourself for a journey that will redefine how you look at your diet and empower you to make smarter, heart-conscious choices. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Processed and high-sodium foods. Consuming processed foods that are often high in sodium can harm heart health. Processed foods, such as packaged snacks, fast food, frozen meals, and canned goods, often contain high amounts of sodium for flavor enhancement and preservation. Excessive sodium intake can contribute to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. High blood pressure strains the heart and can lead to various cardiovascular problems. Therefore, limiting the consumption of processed foods and reading food labels carefully to choose low-sodium alternatives or opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can contribute to a healthier heart. Number 4. Trans fats and hydrogenated oils. Trans fats and hydrogenated oils are artificially produced fats that are commonly found in processed and packaged foods. These fats are created through hydrogenation, which transforms liquid oils into solid fats to increase the shelf life and stability of the products. However, trans fats and hydrogenated oils have been found to have detrimental effects on heart health. They raise bad LDL cholesterol levels and lower good HDL cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. These fats can also promote inflammation, which further contributes to cardiovascular problems. To protect your heart, it's important to read food labels carefully and avoid foods that list hydrogenated oils or trans fats in their ingredients. Instead, choose healthier fat sources like olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Number 3. Sugary and saturated fat-rich desserts. Consuming sugary and saturated fat-rich desserts can be detrimental to heart health. These desserts often contain high amounts of added sugars, leading to weight gain, increased triglyceride levels, and elevated blood sugar levels. Moreover, saturated fats, commonly found in desserts like cakes, cookies, and pastries, can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of these types of desserts can contribute to developing conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular problems. To support a heart-healthy diet, opting for healthier dessert alternatives, such as fruits or homemade treats made with healthier ingredients like whole grains, natural sweeteners, and unsaturated fats, is advisable. Consuming sugary and saturated fat-rich desserts can be detrimental to heart health. These desserts often contain high amounts of added sugars, leading to weight gain, increased triglyceride levels, and elevated blood sugar levels. Moreover, saturated fats, commonly found in desserts like cakes, cookies, and pastries, can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of these types of desserts can contribute to developing conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular problems. Number 2. Red and processed meats. Red meats like beef, pork, and lamb, and processed meats like bacon, sausages, and hot dogs are best limited for a healthy heart. These meats are often high in saturated fats and cholesterol, contributing to plaque buildup in the arteries, leading to an increased risk of heart disease. Processed meats, in particular, are associated with higher sodium levels and preservatives, such as nitrates, which can further negatively impact heart health. High consumption of red and processed meats has also been linked to an increased risk of other health issues, including certain types of cancer. To promote heart health, it is advisable to choose leaner protein sources like poultry, fish, legumes, and nuts while limiting the intake of red and processed meats. Number 1. Sugar-sweetened beverages. Sugar-sweetened beverages include sodas, energy drinks, sports drinks, sweetened fruit juices, and other sugary drinks. These beverages can harm heart health due to their high sugar content. Consuming excessive amounts of added sugars can contribute to weight gain, obesity, and an increased risk of developing conditions like type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Regularly consuming sugary beverages can lead to elevated levels of triglycerides and LDL cholesterol, commonly known as bad cholesterol, both of which are risk factors for cardiovascular disease. To maintain a healthy heart, limiting or avoiding sugar-sweetened beverages, and opting for healthier alternatives, such as water, unsweetened herbal tea, or naturally flavored beverages, like infused water or homemade fruit-infused drinks, is important. Choosing these alternatives can help reduce the intake of added sugars and support better heart health. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the top 5 foods to avoid for a healthy heart. We must prioritize our cardiovascular health and make informed choices about our consumption. We can take significant steps toward maintaining a strong and thriving heart by removing these 5 detrimental foods. If you found this video informative and valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our future content.